Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. I had a little bit of minor success with the roundabouts of Hawkinge, so I thought what I'd do is also the roundabouts of Folkestone. So it's a bleak day. Let's go and see what we can see. Let's leave the supermarket car park. So starting at a stationary position, we'll get out onto the main roads of Folkestone. There should be about 6 roundabouts actually to navigate here. What I'm particularly interested in is how many people are indicating. So I will be putting a lot of trophies with cheering and raspberries with booing. I will mark every single car. Turning left out of the supermarket. Yeah, it's quite a bleak day today. Let's see what we can see. I will, of course, give you the yellow and red squares for the hazards and things for observation. Car coming out of junction. Doing a modest 30 miles an hour here. Now the roundabout ahead is like a Y configuration. So you're either going left or you're going right or you're going all the way around. There's only 2 exits. So left-hand lane for left turn. I'm going right, so I will indicate right. I can see pedestrian running. The Dacia Duster is not indicating. Oh yeah, it came on, just a tad late, so trophy there. Exit off. The pickup didn't do an indicate, but it was off camera, so no raspberry. It's a strange kind of light. The sun is trying to come through, and you have to be aware of the light situation because that can affect your driving as well. And I'm going to cover that in another video. Right, straight across this roundabout, no need to indicate going on, certainly indicate coming off. Audi didn't indicate, Dacia didn't indicate, and tip-up truck didn't indicate. I will though, because I know how to navigate a roundabout. Do you? One-way road. So that was roundabout number 2, coming up to roundabout number 3. I can see a pedestrian between the cars. And there's a car waiting to come on, and he's indicating. I'm going straight across. Dacia didn't indicate, tip-up truck didn't indicate. I indicated. Would you have indicated? Right, I want to go all the way around, so 360 on this roundabout. So indicate right. Tipper truck's indicating. Dacia still didn't. Oh, blimey. No wonder it's had a smash up the back. People didn't know what it was doing. I'm coming off, so indicate off. So that kind of thing will test your patience. But you know, got a job to do. Right, I want to go right on this roundabout, so kind of moving over into the centre. Car coming from my right, which you can't see because it's kind of blind. Indicating left, but was indicating left. Could have mistaken someone coming as if he was turning left. So indicated a bit prematurely there. Told you it was going to be bleak, didn't I? Still, good exercise to drive in the rain. Car parked on double yellows. entering into a one-way system. I want to go round this system to get to the final roundabout. Slide into my lane. Now the right-hand lane here goes to the car park, although I think it's 2 lanes all the way round. Car at junction, other car approaching junction. I'm going left here. Will the pedestrians cross before I get there? No, they didn't. Now I want to go right at the next roundabout. So you think I'd be in the right-hand lane, but actually the lane filters down to 1. So, stay in the lane. I'm going all the way around the roundabout. Indicate right. One car behind me. Car coming from the right. Neither of them indicated off. You know what that means. I shall indicate off. And there you have it. A little bit of roundabout magic. Or is it the magic roundabout? We shall conveniently stop at the lights, and I shall say thanks for watching and bearing with, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.